Life can throw us challenges that we never anticipated. Challenges like supporting a loved one who needs psychiatric care. It's a journey filled with uncertainty, questions, and often a sense of helplessness. Watching a loved one struggle with their mental health is never easy. You may have tried to help, but it's a complex battle that's hard to face alone. But there's a place that can help you carry the burden. A place that offers a heaven of hope and healing where you don't have to do it all alone. At Park Hospital, we understand the struggle. We understand the importance of providing the best care for your loved ones. Our long-term psychiatric medical care services cater to a wide range of patients. We offer luxury, deluxe, and normal rooms because we believe everyone deserves a place where they can heal comfortably. Don't go through the challenges of mental health care alone. Let Park Hospital take care of your loved ones and provide the best treatment in a nurturing and supportive environment. Reach out to us today, and together we can embark on a journey towards healing and hope. Park Hospital, where your loved ones' well-being is our top priority.